If PowerPoint is throwing error 153 when you try to play or embed a video, don't worry, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most reliable solutions step by step so you can get your presentation working again without the frustration of trial and error. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get started. First, let's check the video format. Go to the video file on your computer and look at the file extension. You may see something like MP4, MOV, or AVI. This matters because PowerPoint works best with MP4 files, and if your video is in another format, that can often trigger playback or embedding errors. So before you do anything else, confirm what type of file you're using. If your video is not MP4, the best fix is to convert it. Open your browser and go to Cloud Convert's MP4 Converter. Upload your video file, then choose MP4 as the output format. After that, click Convert and wait for the process to finish. Once the conversion is done, download the new MP4 file to your computer. This step solves a lot of PowerPoint video issues because MP4 is the most compatible format for presentations. Now that you have the converted file, go back to PowerPoint and insert the video again. Open your presentation and find the slide where the error appears. Delete the old video that is causing the problem. Then go to Insert, choose Video, and select this device. Browse to the new MP4 file you just created, select it, and insert it into the slide. After that, play the slide and check whether the video runs correctly. In many cases, this alone will completely fix error 153. If you're still having issues, the next thing to try is installing missing codecs. Sometimes PowerPoint or Windows may not have the right media support for certain files. Open your browser and search for K-Lite Codec Pack Standard. Download the installer from a trusted source, then run the setup and keep the default settings. Once installation is complete, restart your computer. After the restart, open PowerPoint again and test the video. Codec packs can solve hidden playback problems that are not obvious at first glance. Another important tip is to avoid using MOV files directly in PowerPoint whenever possible. If your video is in MOV format, do not insert it as is unless you know your system supports it properly. The safer choice is to convert it to MP4 first. That gives you a much better chance of smooth playback across different computers and versions of PowerPoint. If you absolutely need it, you can also install QuickTime, but conversion to MP4 is usually the cleaner and more reliable solution. So to recap, the fastest way to fix PowerPoint embedded video error 153 is to check the file format, convert unsupported videos to MP4, reinsert the new file into your slide, and install codecs if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will get your presentation working again without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.